Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Reliance. What happened on Friday and what can you expect from market on Monday. Let's start with Nifty. What we discuss and so we were expecting market to kind of break upside or if it is near available near this trend line, we'll go for there is rejection, we'll go for a short. Or if there is like a gap down flat coming to bottom of the thing, once it sees the bounce, we can go for long. That's what we were discussing. But market did not follow, did not do the gap up, but flat and started coming down and remain sideways after that. So did not get a good trade. So no trade on Friday for Nifty. So if you see that this in 30 minutes, the market is in the channel now. So it's a kind of a very narrow range. If you see from the top, it is trying to form a wedge, and in the from the this angle, if you see, it is 30 minutes. It is trying to form a uh, channel actually. So it's in very tight channel, tight range that it is trying to travel. So the very good scenario would be that if the market is breaking this 21 to 47, we might get a very good trade actually. That is the one trade that I'm seeing it. If market gap down and comes down below 21 to 47, and we can expect immediately 100 points touching 2,118, something like that. So we can expect immediate this low we can expect or 2,1140 is the target I'm expecting. If it breaks this, we can that is one trade. The other trade would be like it has to break at least 30 minutes the higher this the trend that is coming from top. It has to break this channel at least 30 minutes or this high 21,480 or 500 you can say. 21,500 it has to break and then maintain at least 30 minutes above. Then we can go for long for 100 points above. If market gap up near this trend line and see a rejection, again this main will kind of we can go for directly. If it could not break 21 480 or 500 and comes inside this previous day high, go for short. Market will give us definitely a very good target on Monday. So the two scenarios are good. If it directly comes and breaks this bottom, we can expect a good target. If there is a gap up near this 21,500 and market comes inside 21,480, go for short again. Definitely another we can expect a very good target. And third trade is if market can gap up and maintain above this 21,500 for 30 minutes at least, we can go for long. These are the three trades we have it for Nifty. That is what I have captured in this slide. So we have no trade on 25th because it did not match our any trade plan. On 29th, I have mentioned all the three scenarios that are possible. Gap up rejected near trend line and comes in inside 21 or 480 previous day high. Go for short. And if it can maintain 30 minutes above 21,500 after gap up, go for long. And gap down flat, if it comes down below 21 to 47, we can expect 100-point market coming down. So these are the true trades that three trades you have it for Nifty. So let's discuss Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is again in the kind of range that it is trying to travel. If it can break to 45, 140, market can go to 50 points definitely. It can travel to 250 points till this 46,000 is what I'm expecting market going up if it is coming above. And the below trade would be below this low, the low, whatever the low we are talking about. If we can break this low only, we can go for short. Otherwise, we need to look for buying opportunity, which is like, yeah, the clear trade would be above 45, 150. If market gap up pars flat open, closing above this one, go for long. 250 points, definitely market going up. Other trade is only below this all five fours. I mean, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So if your market can come and gap down closes below this, you go for short. So these are the two trades that are possible in Bank Nifty. Reliance, what we discussed was like if a market can close this above, market can come above this one, we can go for long, and market give 20 points here target. So and then it came down again, but that was a target. Everybody was looking for it. Immediately, market gave a target and came down. So it's like now, if you look at in a little higher time frame, like 1 hour, market is in tight range. I mean, again, it is trying to take a support of this trend line from the bottom. It is trying to take a support and go up, and again, it is again against the trend actually. So it is in a very confusing stage where the market is. If you look it in a shorter time frame, so shorter time frame, it is trying to travel in the channel actually. So the best trade would be that if you can break this channel, this line, I mean this channel that you have drawn, connecting all these lines, if we can break, we can expect it again 20 to 30 points coming down market. So that is one good trade we have it. Other the buy option, I am seeing it, it has to break above this trend line so that it can go further up. Or if there is a rejection, if you are seeing at the this trend line, red candle and coming inside this high, today's high 21.27, if it comes inside, go for short. It can definitely expect a 20 points. So these are the three trades. The first trade is market, if it breaks the channel, go for short. Second, if it is rejected near this trend line coming inside 2727, which is previously high, short, we get 20 points. Or if market long is only possible if it can close above this trend line at least for 30 minutes, then we can go for long. So this looks to be similar to Nifty. Bank Nifty is little different, but this is how are the trades we have it for these three scripts tomorrow. Hope you are able to see the value of this analysis that we are doing it for these three scripts. Nifty, we are talking about 100 points daily. Bank Nifty, 250 points, and Reliance 20 points daily. So you can like this video, you can subscribe the channel if you have not done so, and you can also encourage your friends to join this channel further. Thanks for watching this video.